How to recognize music using Google Assistant, Gemini, and Samsung's built-in song search. This tutorial shows you a couple of ways to identify a song without needing a separate app. First, bring up Google Assistant or Gemini by long pressing the Home button if you have navigation buttons, or swiping in from the corner of your screen if you're using gesture controls. From there, once it opens, hum the tune or sing along to the lyrics if you remember them. Give it a moment while it listens and analyzes what you're humming or singing. After that, once it's identified, the song title and artist will appear directly on screen. If you'd rather use Samsung's own built-in tool instead, there's a quicker option right from your Quick Panel. At this point, swipe down from the top of your screen to open the Quick Panel. Following this, look for the Song Search tile among the available options. From here, tap it. At this stage, hold your phone up so it can pick up the audio playing around you. Once identified, you'll see the song title and artist appear the same way. That's how you recognize music using Google Assistant, Gemini, and Samsung's built-in song search. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then.